Okay, today we're doing phonics, page 45 and 46. Up at the top of page 45, you see 3 new special sounds. Ow in out, ow in owl, and o in bowl. Remember, you can refer back to the special sound charts if need. They are posted on this week, I think Monday and Tuesday I posted those. Okay, number 1 says circle the special sounds. Gown, mouth, slow, flower, crow, and town. Okay, then right there's a thing that says remember in the blue box. It says a sentence has 2 parts. The first part is who or what, and the second part is what happened. Number 2 says draw a line between the 2 parts of the sentence. Our cat chased the small frog. Okay, who's it about? The cat. So we need to draw a line after cat, right? Our cat. And what did the cat do? It chased the small frog. On down. Blake and Chloe smiled at Mom. Okay, who are we talking about? Blake and Chloe. So we need to put a line after Chloe. And what did they do? They smiled at Mom. Okay, the next one. We went to church. Who did it? We did. So we need a line after we. Went to church. That's what happened. So that's the second part. The last one on number 2 is a heron stood in the shallow water. Okay, who or what is it about? It's about a heron. So we put our line after that. And what did it do? It stood in the shallow water. Number 3, draw 3 lines under letters that should be capitalized. Place the correct punctuation at the end of the sentence. So you'll either need a period or a question mark, depending on whether it is a declarative sentence or an interrogative sentence. The first one says, where do crabs live? The next one, some crabs can be eaten. A crab has 8 legs. The last one, have you seen a white crab? Okay, draw lines under what needs to be capitalized and do the correct punctuation after each one of those. We are not doing the dictation, so you can turn to the back to page 46. Okay, number 1 on the back says write a rhyming word. We know rhyming words sound the same and have the same ending. Okay, so what rhymes with hill? What rhymes with fig? What rhymes with mad? And what rhymes with set? What rhymes with run? And what rhymes with fan? Okay, make sure that you write the rhyming word on the blank space beside of each word. Moving down to number 2, finish the sentences. Remember what goes at the end of each sentence. Beth can. Beth can do what? You finish the sentence and then put what needs to be put at the end of it. I love. What do you love? Finish that sentence and put the punctuation at the end. And the last one in number 2, Mom had a tray of, what did Mom have a tray of? Write that there and then put your punctuation. On the last part, number 3, What if you were camping by a pond? Write 2 sentences about your camping trip and then draw a picture. You can tell me anything about it. What you slept in, what you saw, anything about your camping trip. The only thing that I am going to be looking for is if it starts with a capital letter, ends with the correct punctuation, and is a complete sentence. Okay, and then draw your picture in the box below it about your camping trip.